but to build a pond for generations, right? Look at the land, right? We're like, man, this would be a great location for a pond. So what do we do when we do that, right? We look for different tributaries that'll lead into this area, kind of like a draw like this. So the first thing is just see where everything is coming in. Make sure that it actually gathered water, because once again, we're here in the Texas Hill Country, and we can't just pump water into, essentially a reservoir area or a depression in the ground. So what we did here is we actually found clay when we were digging it out. We put it off to the side. We got down to the appropriate depth. We found rock. Then what we did is we backfilled that clay into it. Other options too, right? If this doesn't work, this was the more budget-friendly way of doing it, right? We taking the existing caliche and combination clay, mixing it together, right? And then putting it as a liner in the bottom of this pond. And if it works, great. That's a good thing. If it doesn't, we can use this product called bentonite, right? And we can bring it down into here and we can mix it into with the soil. So what we have here is we have the water coming in from these hillsides over here, right? Coming into what we call the sediment pond, right? And it's going to catch all the sediment. That's important because, no matter what you do, it's really hard to prevent sediment from getting into the pond. But there's certain things that you can put into place to help prevent it, right? And that way you're not having to keep doing maintenance on it. After the sediment pond, right here, we have all these rocks that we found on location, right? And we just set up these rocks for the inlet portion of it, because that'll also do a good job of catching sediment, catch leaf litter or whatever. When we created these waterways that feeds into this pond, that we not only created it, but we put rock at the end. But then when we were done, I asked the client, hey, put ryegrass in here, right? The ryegrass will help prevent erosion. Take a look at this. Look how it's stopped. This ryegrass has stopped all this leaf litter, right? You want it to stop that leaf litter so that it doesn't end up in your pond. When it gets to its full stage, we laser leveled this all the way through here, so it's going to start running over here, right, at where the overflow is. And we put rock, we laid rock all the way down through that right there. And if we get a really, really big rain that's coming down, because it'll come down over there too, what's going to happen is we put 2 exit points, right? That's the primary one, that's the first one, that's where we want it to go. But once we get grass all going through here and it gets really high, it's going to roll out this direction over here, and it all goes into a seasonal creek back over there. If you have a project like this and you have a pond that you want to get built, shoot, give us a call. We're landprep.com. We'll set up a site visit, come out to your property, and we'll evaluate what you have and figure out the best solution that works for you, that fits within your budget. My name is Dustin, and I'm with landprep.com.